Today, we'll show how roasting makes large, fresh pork cuts tender and juicy and brings out their rich flavor. First, get your oven ready. Put the rack in the center and preheat to 450 degrees. For the best flavor, season, but don't trim the roast. Now place your roast fat side up in a roasting pan. Cook at 450 for 10 minutes to form a nice brown outer layer. That really seals in the flavor. Now reset the oven to 250 degrees and cook for 50 to 80 minutes. Check for an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Take it out and cover with foil. After you let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, your fresh pork roast will be ready to slice and enjoy.